So today I'll be teaching you guys how to create Gmail accounts without phone number. It is very simple. All you have to do is go to your Chrome browser, go to accounts, create add, click on add. So sign up without an account. So you can just put any name. Just put any name. Let's say Keyless Tech Browser. Done. So it will automatically create an additional Chrome account on your PC. So all you have to do is click on Control H, history, clear browsing history, go for all time, clear all the whole history on this your new Chrome. Then go back to your search bar and type gmail.com. So you click create accounts. Just can go for personal use. Click for my personal use. Go for any name. Let's go for Keyless Tech. Keyless Tech 7878. Then you put your password. Click on next. Put your date of birth. Let's go for 10 October 991. So just fill in the details. Click on agree. And boom, your account is created. So you don't need any phone number or anything. So this is the easiest way for you to create a Gmail account in 2023. So let's wait, let it load, and let's test run the account. Click on compose to, let's copy this email. Subject testing. Is the email working? So let's check if the email is working. Yeah, boom, it's working. So that's how you create an account without imputing your phone number or anything. Thank you very much.